Hey, what's up guys, Bibo here, Fugatech, and today we got the Honor 70 5G and this new stunning colorway, the emerald green. Okay, what we got inside is the unit itself. Then you'll notice the SIM ejector tucked in the box, and inside it is the free jelly case and some documents, plus the USB Type-C cable and the 66 watts fast supercharged adapter. First, let's talk about the specs. This device is equipped with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus super curved display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 100% DCI P3 color gamut. This means that the display is both super smooth and incredibly vibrant, perfect for watching videos and playing games. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G plus a Adreno 6402L GPU, which should provide plenty of power and smooth performance. The phone also comes with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which should be more than enough for most users. In terms of cameras, the Honor 70 5G is no slouch. It features a triple rear camera setup with a 54MP f1.9 main camera, a 50MP f2.2 ultra-wide and macro camera, and a 2MP depth camera, while the front-facing camera is a 32MP f2.4 shooter. This device also runs on Magic UI 6.1, which is based on Android 12. This means that you'll have access to all of the latest features and updates from Google, as well as a clean and intuitive user interface from Honor. The phone also has a 4800 mAh battery with a 66 watts fast charging, so you'll be able to quickly and easily recharge the phone when needed. This device is priced at only $26,990 and is already available at any Honor kiosk near you if you are here in the Philippines. Plus, you can also check their partner stores nationwide or any online stores like Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. By the way, in case you missed our review of this device, we'll link it down below on our written articles at yugatech.com. But to give you a gist, the Honor 70 is actually the first device to use the Sony IMX 800 sensor. Plus again, it is equipped with that 54MP lens. Overall, I actually dig the new color, and the form factor feels the same as the combination of the Huawei Nova 10 SE and Nova 10. It has a good form factor, easy to grip, very slim and light, although a bit slippery since it has a glass finish texture at the back, although it's still a plastic back. But I don't mind flaunting this device because the color is super gorgeous, although take note that you will still need to wipe from time to time since it still has a fingerprint magnet texture. Now, where this device shines is of course in the camera department, as you will see here in some of our sample shots. The details are great, plus having that wide angle lens is superb. Plus of course, knowing the high refresh rate makes the experience better when using this phone. From browsing the web, watching videos online, and even listening to music, definitely a highly recommendable device. Alright, if you like this video, smash that like button, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future uploads, follow us on our social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, and make it a habit of visiting yugatech.com for your daily dose of tech news and reviews. Once again, I'm B-Boy, thanks for watching and see you in our next video.